Hey folks, in my last video we discussed Davinci Resolve not being able to use AAC audio codecs. So in order to resolve that, I made a little script and you should be able to use that to convert it. There's other options on the market. If you want, you can look for that, but this is what I use and it works really well. So what's this about? Well, we got a file on the desktop over here. If you right click on it, go to properties, go to media info, which is another script you can install. I will link to that in the description. And you scroll down, you see that we got the audio format of AAC on this video file. So now in order to change that to PCM, which Davinci Resolve can read, you can install Suncat Media Converter. You can find it on the GitHub page. There's an install guide on how to install it. I will try to update it whenever I, feel the need for something new. So I already installed it. I go to Suncat Media Converter, which opens up this very simple box. All you do is select the video files you want to convert. So in this case, we go to desktop, click open. It shows you the file you selected, which is the same as over here. There's only two options. We don't want AAC, we want PCM. And we want to click convert. So now it created a folder converted, and in that folder you got the new file with the converted audio. If we look into the properties, media info, now you see it's PCM and you can use it with Davinci Resolve. So that's it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I see you next time.